Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Which is the first month in Islamic calendar?
Muharram.
Okay. Who is our creator?
Allah. Allah.
Very good. Which is last month in Islamic calendar?
Dhul-Hijjah. Dhul-Hijjah.
Very good. How many special names does Allah have?
99. 99.
Very good. 10th day of Muharram is called?
Ashura. Ashura.
Very good. Who is the first prophet in Islam?
Adam Nabi.
Very good. Where do people go to perform Hajj?
Makkah. Makkah.
Very good. Who is the last prophet in Islam?
Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Very good. How many days are there in a week?
7.
Very good. What is the Qibla of Muslim?
Kaaba. Kaaba.
Very good. Name of our country?
India.
Very good. Name of our state?
Kerala.
Very good. When India got independence?
1947.
Very good. Name of current Prime Minister of India?
Pinarayi Vijayan.
Very good. No. For India, Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru.
Name of current Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
Aywa, very good. How many colors are there in India flag?
3. Saffron, white, green.
Very good. National flower?
Lotus.
National tree?
Banyan tree.
National animal?
Tiger.
Bird?
Peacock.
Fruit? Then who is the father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay. Which animal is known as sheep of desert?
Camel. Camel.
Very good. Which is the biggest animal on land?
Elephant.
Very good. Which is the fastest animal on land?
Cheetah. Cheetah.
Very good. Biggest bird in the world?
Ostrich. Ostrich.
Smallest bird in the world?
Hummingbird. Hummingbird.
Very good. How many surah are there in Holy Quran?
140.
Very good. Where was Quran relieved first?
Iraq.
Which is the longest surah?
Baqarah.
Very good. Which is the shortest surah?
Kausar.
Very good. Who is the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Very good.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Which is the biggest flower in the world?
Russia.
Which part of plant helps it to drink water from the ground?
Root.
Very good. Who was the best friend of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu.
Very good. Which is the obligatory surah to
Fatiha. Fatiha.
Very good. What is the official animal of Kerala?
Elephant. Elephant.
Official bird? Official
Red
bird?
hornbill.
Flower?
Golden shower.
Official fish? Okay. The age in which our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got nubuwah?
40. 40.
Which surah is known as Subul Masani?
Fatiha.
Which is the biggest district in Kerala?
Idukki. Idukki.
Which is the smallest district in Kerala?
Alappuzha. Alappuzha.
Okay, next and last question. How many districts are there in Kerala? How many districts are there in Kerala?
40.
Very good. Very good. Congratulations.
Assalamu alaikum.